A little cold outside, but I think this one might warm your hearts. One mom is going viral for sharing the unlikely friendship her toddler has formed with a common household appliance. Check this out.
So this is my 18-month-old, and his favorite toy in the world is this space heater. Ellio, who's that? Who's that? Jeff. He loves Jeff, the space heater. He also loves the hand mixer, the immersion blender, and any vacuum. Jeff! He does not like toy versions of those things. So I'm just looking for ideas for like a great Christmas gift for him because Jeff, we gotta give Jeff a break.
Oh, Jeff. Oh, Jeff. Not to worry, Mom told Today.com the family follows strict safety rules around the heater. But guys, if that friendship goes deep, so deep that when the family goes on vacation, Ellio actually walked around longingly searching for his long-lost buddy.
Did you see him lifting it?
Jeff, yeah. Loves Jeff. They're saving a bunch of money on toys, though.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.